In this video, I will show how to make X, formerly Twitter, connection in make.com. If you're uploading media like I have shown in my previous videos, then you need to make two connections. One is for version 5 and another is for version 6. Let's start with version 5, add module, and click add new connection. As you can see, if you click show advanced settings, then API key and API key secret is needed. For that, we have to go to developer portal on X, and here on dashboard, click settings and set up. Here, I have to give all rights to X and paste some URLs. I will include those URLs below the video so you don't have to write them yourself, and click save. Yes. And now it will give me API key and API secret. I need to copy them, make sure I have copied. And if happens that you forget what was your secret key, then you can go back to your settings, keys and tokens, and click regenerate. It will give you new keys, but in that case, you have to make a new connection in Make, because the old one will be broken. So back in Make, I'm gonna paste everything here and click save and make authorization. And now version 5 is complete. So for version 6, you need to change it to right version. Click add new connection. And here, as you can see, it is asking client ID and client secret. And those we can get if we go to developer portal on X. We either click on settings or on the left side, go to the project. And here as well, you can press on keys and tokens, and below you can see client ID and client secret. As well, you can regenerate them. What I'm going to do now, copy and paste in Make. And as well, click save and make new connection. If you don't know how to upload automatically on X, then you should watch my previous videos when I built completely from scratch module or just show the settings. And after that, you can fill up whatever you like, and connections are done.